Hey guys, GX Mower here, and the lawnmower. Except the thing is, it actually mows lawns now. After I put some real gasoline in it, it seems to start up and mow. So we're gonna start it up and see what it goes. It's a little hot, but it should start up. Basically, the rat rod mower hunk of junk mows. I had to raise it a little bit because, well, as you can see over here, it did a little bit of damage because it was so low and the blade started spinning. So raise it up a little bit, made it a little more practical for cutting grass, but it's amazing that it actually works. And let's see if it'll start up well this time. I don't know. Maybe it just needed that one start up. Lawnmower on a beautiful day. Well, I guess there's really not much else for today, so thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.